Yep. Okay, well my hood and the trunk lids are done and ready to be reprimed. You can see some of the work I've done there, and some of the subsequent work here. Actually, I've got that to do. Maybe. So what's next is one layer of primer, and then epoxy primer. I'm sorry, and then one layer of primer surfacer, sealer, or whatever it's called, and then I'll be ready for all the wet sanding and the pre-actual paint job stuff. I still don't have a color in mind, but there we go. So pretty much everything here is going to get a wet sanding, and then a primer sealer coat. Wet sanding is important because it gets rid of this. All these, let's see, all of this stuff is gunked on. See that? Gunked on epoxy. And if you use a the same, actually lighter sandpaper, I'll be using this stuff here, lighter sandpaper and a steady stream of water, all these things kind of go out with the water as it drips down. So this is pretty much why I recovered my garage floor. So a bucket of water and a sprayer and a smoother, what is this? I don't even remember. This is 120 grit, and I think what I'm working on right now is 160. I don't remember. It's not on the back of any of the things, but let's get it nice and smoothed out, nice and leveled out, block sanded, and then ready for the last layer of primer. Of the can of Bondo I bought a couple weeks ago, I've got a quarter of it left. And probably 3/4 of what I've used has ended up in the trash can as dust. So, obviously I've not caked it on, and I'm vacuuming it up as I go. There we go. All right, that's done. That's 3 coats in a crosshatch pattern. Actually, oddly enough, the epoxy primer I bought was gray. The stuff I've been using, which is Eastwood, is out and takes eons to backwater. So I was impatient. But it's epoxy primer. It's a nice warm sunny day here, and that'll cure very quickly. Here's the hood, and there's where all the work was done. I see a little bit right there, center of screen, that I'll need to sand out with that primer surfacer. And I gotta say, I am impressed by this stuff. The crap I'm using right now is this. I usually use this. This is my junk bucket. This stuff is a lot thinner than what I've been using, but I just adjusted my gun, and there we go. So let's see what's next. Letting it cure. Yep.